my name is Crystal Ferguson and I'm from Space to Love, and today we're going to talk about decluttering, organizing, a little feng shui and design within the bedroom. And so there's a couple and they're cohabitating. She was moving into his place, so we really needed to declutter. We wanted to make room for her and all of her stuff. So we started with the closet, obviously, and decluttering, going through all of his stuff, realizing what he needs, wants, and realizing there's just not enough room. There was not enough room in the closet for both of their things. So we actually bought this piece here from IKEA, and this was only $150, but all of her stuff fit in there, as well as her accessories and shoes, and then just putting everything else in the drawers, and it all worked out. All of their clothes were all in the bedroom, which is really great because they actually had some of the stuff in a closet in the dining room, which totally wasn't working. So then once we got all their stuff in and organized, then we wanted to do a feng shui reading because we wanted to incorporate what colors would be best for their bedroom. And they're both metal people, which is really good for me because it made it really easy because grays and whites are really good for metal, and they're both metal. So that was their element. So we incorporated a lot of grays and white in the bedroom. So we went to Bed Bath & Beyond and we got this new comforter. The Greek key motif was really great, sophisticated, classic. And then also the curtains were for Bed Bath & Beyond. They're blackout curtains, which is great because with the feng shui, with your bedroom, you really want a yin environment. So it's dark, it's quiet, it's cool, it's really conducive for a good night's sleep. These are the things you want to incorporate, so those curtains worked out great. And then also with the pictures, because you think about feng shui, you don't want pictures of, let's say, your mom and dad in the bedroom. You really want pictures of the couple, of romance, of things that you find exciting and sexy. Like, these are the things you want to keep within the bedroom. And then bringing that in with the pictures, we have 2 pictures on the nightstand, so it actually makes it really symmetrical. You really want to have balance within the relationship, and that shows even with the nightstands being the same size, the lamps, and really having balance on either side of the bed is super important. If you have just one nightstand, the person who sleeps on that side of the bed really dominates the relationship. So you really want to balance that out. And you do that easily with the nightstands and some nice lamps and things like that. And then also we just did a few other little touches. We added a rug from Home Goods, which was only like $150, but super soft and plush. So it's like as soon as you walk into the room, it really feels nice. And then we also got the stackables for her jewelry. Her jewelry was kind of out and just exposed to the elements, getting a little dusty. So we got the stackables from the Container Store, which really streamlined that. And then also with the vanity, she had another chair that she was using. We found another stool at Home Goods, gray, really pretty, just fun and elegant for her, and we added that in as well. So there was just all these little things that we did. Really, it was about $750 to sort of upgrade the bedroom and also incorporate the feng shui. There's one more thing about feng shui. Mirrors in the bedroom are super important not to have them. We actually had one that was going across from the window, which is really bad. It's the chi is going back and forth, and it gives a very yang energy. It's really high, a lot too much activity. It's not really good for a good night's sleep. So we removed the mirror, we put it inside the closet door. There is a small mirror on the piece that we got from IKEA, but it's good that it's not going directly across the bed. So you really don't want to have things going across the bed. So that's pretty much it. You know, just talking about the decluttering and the organizing, a little bit of feng shui and design. I feel like it goes a long way. And if you want to know what element you are, feel free to comment below. Just let me know if you are male or female and your full birth date, and I'll let you know if you're metal or wood or water, and let you know what colors are good for you, and we'll just put you at ease. Or email me at info@spacetolove with any questions. Thank you so much.